And as you guys know, this is Tripathi Aditya Prakash, a full-time data analyst. And today we are going to talk about the big question that is there, Power BI or Tableau. And if we keep on running around, people will keep on asking it. So let's understand it deeply because I have experience in both. So which one should you use? And if you're ever stuck between the two, which one should you opt for based on the pros and cons and my experience? So let's keep some things clear that both Power BI and Tableau are excellent tools for data visualization, but they have their different strengths and weakness based on what you want to do. So you have to compare both of them for that. So let's talk about it. And I've used both of them extensively, as I've told in my projects as well as my work. So I'll share my hands-on experience. What are the pros and cons? So, and tips, some of them I'll give you. So let's talk about it. So let's first start with Power BI's pros and then we'll go to cons. So first pros is that it's affordable and it comes with Microsoft ecosystem. So if you have a Windows or Microsoft ecosystem, it comes in really handy and it's included in that. So if you already use Excel, Azure, Power BI integration is like best. And they'll integrate everything like just how G Suite is, but with the visualization. And it's user-friendly for beginners. It doesn't complicate that much. And now it also has AI. And you can easily use drag and drop features in there. So it's really easy. And it's also great for real-time data analytics. And because you can have the streaming data that is there from tools such as Azure or other tools, AWS, you can directly integrate into it. So it really comes in handy that way. So let's talk about some of the cons in it also. The customization option in Power BI is really limited. They only allow certain kind of things that you can do with it. So it is quite limited. And the visualization, I have personally felt compared to Tableau and others, it's very limited. Like you can't really make complex dashboard without customizing it too much. And it gets a lot of, you have to go and do a lot of extra things to customize it. And it will look less polished, I can say, for complex dashboard. So yeah, so I'll tell you a use case like I have done that. So I used Power BI for a sales dashboard when I was developing it, and it was for a client retail business. So integration with the Excel made data presentation really easy because the data was in Excel, and the reporting also super easy because you can do reporting as well as dashboard, real-time dashboard. So it became really easy that way. So now let's move on to Tableau. So let's talk first about the pros that we were talking. So it's known for its advanced data visualization as well as interactivity. And it's great for creating, polished professional dashboard because it really allows you to create customization and everything. And it supports a variety of ranges of data sources and works well with big data. So nowadays, big data is being used a lot, so it works really well with it. And it offers a flexibility in creating custom visualization as well as storytelling. Since it's a lot customizable, you can do that. But again, the cons comes here that it's very, higher cost, specifically for the small business or individual. It's a higher cost. And it has a steeper learning curve also compared to Power BI because you'll have to, make everything a lot from scratch in sales compared to Power BI. So I'll tell you again a use case, like I use Tableau for marketing data campaigning. And in that I had created an interactive data visualization that helped the people that were there, you can say them stakeholders, explore the campaign performance across regions and cities that they can, later target it to. So with all these talks, let's talk about the key differences that are there. So first is ease of use. So Power BI is beginner friendly and Tableau is more advanced. And compared to pricing, Power BI is budget friendly and also it comes with, the Office suite and is free for individual users. So it's a really good plus. And compared to that, Tableau is pricey, but it offers advanced features. So that's a trade-off that you can consider yourself. And then data quality and the visualization quality. Data quality depends on you, but since Excel capability is in Power BI, so that also helps a lot. So for the visualization quality, Tableau will edge over Power BI because it has more superior visuals and as well as interactivity because you can customize it a lot. And then integration. That is where the Power BI takes the edge, because if you are in the Microsoft ecosystem and if you are using a individual and diverse data sources, then Tableau is the way. So which one should you use? Like, that is a big question, right? Like, which one should you use? So if you are starting out working heavily with the Microsoft tool, use Power BI. And if you just need advanced data visualization as well as flexibility for complex projects, Tableau is your best bet. And ultimately, the choice will depend on you and the company that you work with and the complexity of the project that you're working on. So these things you have to keep in mind. So comment down below what is your favorite tool, Power BI or Tableau, and share what tools that you have used. If it are other tools also, of course, a lot of them exist. So let me know which ones you have used. So as my course is already live, in that we already dive deep into both these tools and we show you step on how to build stunning dashboard and all, and how to make data-driven decisions. So check out my link tree for all my links for socials, as well as if you are looking for mentorship, discovery call, connecting with me, having a quick chat, even a resume if you want to try for new jobs, you can connect with me. So on TopMate, I put the link below. Check out my TopMate for it. And with that being said, it's a wrap. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe and share it with anyone that is exploring the data visualization tool. And let's keep learning visualization together. And I'll see you guys in the next one.